Today we're talking about the common repairs you might need to watch out for if you own or are thinking of buying a 2011 Subaru Impreza. This is a reliable car, but like all vehicles, it has its quirks and common repair issues. So let's break them down. Head gasket failure. Let's start with the big one. This is a well-known issue with older Subaru models, especially the 2.5-liter engine. Typically, this happens around 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Signs of a bad head gasket include oil or coolant leaks, white smoke from the exhaust, or even overheating. If you notice these symptoms, it's best to get it checked ASAP. The repair cost can range from $1,500 to $2,500, but trust me, it's worth it to avoid more severe engine damage. Timing belt replacement. Subaru recommends changing it every 100,000 miles to avoid catastrophic engine damage. A worn-out belt can lead to misfires, rough idling, or worse if it snaps. Luckily, a timing belt replacement will usually cost you between $500 and $900. Some shops may recommend replacing the water pump at the same time since it's in the same area. Oil leaks. Another common issue with the 2011 Impreza is oil leaks. These can come from the valve cover gaskets or the oil pan. Leaking oil is no joke. It can lead to bigger engine problems down the road if you don't get it fixed. Expect a repair bill of around $200 to $600 depending on the severity. Wheel bearings. If you hear a humming or grinding noise when driving, especially when turning, it's probably a sign that your wheel bearings are worn out. Wheel bearings can wear out over time, especially in all-wheel drive vehicles, like this one. You're looking at $300 to $500 per wheel for the repair. Suspension issues. If you notice clunking noises when you drive over bumps, you might have worn out suspension components like the struts or shocks. Replacing all 4 struts can cost between $600 and $1,000, but it will make a huge difference in your ride quality. Exhaust system rust. Living in areas with heavy winters or salty roads, watch out for the rust on the exhaust system. This can lead to holes or cracks in the exhaust, causing loud noises or poor fuel economy. Depending on the damage, repairs can cost anywhere from $300 to $1,000. Oxygen sensor failure. A common reason for the check engine light in this car is oxygen sensor failure. These sensors monitor the oxygen levels in the exhaust, helping with fuel efficiency. A bad sensor can lead to rough idling and lower gas mileage. Replacing one costs about $150 to $300. CV joint axle issues. If you hear a clicking sound when turning, you probably have a torn CV boot or worn out axle. Replacing the axle or CV joint will cost you around $300 to $800, but it's necessary to keep your all-wheel drive system working properly. So those are the most common repairs you might face with a 2011 Subaru Impreza. While some of these repairs can get pricey, this car is still a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable all-weather vehicle. Be sure to stay on top of regular maintenance, and your Subaru will treat you right for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.